Hello guys and welcome to a YouTube video. Today I will be doing a vlog. I have another channel which is Pokemon / trainer. But yeah, that's my other channel where I'm going to be doing games. I have one video so far, but this is my first video on this channel. So I just wanted to say, since I'm doing this channel, I will be asking you guys to put things down in the comments, like in Pokemon / trainer. Yeesh. But this microphone is just a Rock Band microphone. It's connected to my Xbox, and I'm on Rock Band. But yeah. This is the only way I could get you guys to hear me because I don't have a loud voice. I can turn it up louder if you want, but I can only do like a 15-minute video. So yeah, in this first particular video, I will be showing you guys my Skylanders. So if you guys are familiar with the game, leave that down in the comments because I want to know what combinations you made, because I want to show you my 2 favorite mixtures. Number 1. Number 2. This is like my best favorite mixture. This dude, I don't know what his particular name is, but he's my favorite because he should be like a real Skylander. He's like half monkey, half drill. His bottom half is just monkey legs, and then once you press B, he digs down into the ground. This is my favorite because I can boost him very fast because I upgraded the little boosters down here. Yeah, but he is my favorite character because he should be the real. This should be his actual body, not. I'm gonna show you like their actual body, and then like the bottom and the top's actual body, and then I'm going to show you my second favorite mixture. 1 second. Where was the bottom half of the top half? Right here. Well, I lost the bottom half to this dude. If I find it, I'll put it in my next video. But right now, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to. But the bottom half's actual body is this. So today is going to be like a pretty boring video, but pretty cool to me, because I want to show you guys like my actual favorite Skylanders that I made. If you've made these very same things, then I try to do like these mixtures if you haven't done them, and if you have Skylanders, because this dude is very cool. Sorry, his top half is like twisted. This dude is very cool because he can actually, his bottom half is like a firework half, and they're both fire. They're both a part of the fire element. Okay, see? Fire element. I'm gonna put down the microphone right now to point at where the fire element is if you're not sure. So if you caught that before, I pointed at it just in case you didn't. So yeah, and those are my two favorite Skylanders. Well, we have a lot of time left, but I'm not gonna end this video. I want to show you the crappiest computer ever. This is like the most crappy computer. This computer started off as my sister's. My grandma's old computer is in my mom's room. My mom's old computer is in my sister's room, which also came from my grandma. That computer that's in my sister's room, it's going to be mine one day. But I'm thinking of throwing this one out once Mom and Nicole get her computer working, so yeah. But that's not all for today. I actually want to do more because this video is pretty long, and I burnt myself on a crock pot right here. It did hurt a lot, but I'm standing it out. I washed it just a little bit ago. I just got out of the shower. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you my favorite Skylanders. And if you're not familiar with this particular game, it's like a portal that you have to place your Skylander on. And it's connected to the Xbox, but the game isn't in. But I got Swap Force. There are like so many. There's Superchargers, there's Trap Team. There are so many I can't even count. But leave down in the comments what you want me to do in my next video if I get up to 10,000 likes on this video. If I get up to 10,000 likes, I will do like a challenge, or I will do whatever you put down in the comments. Just nothing inappropriate, nothing disgusting, nothing that will offend YouTube and that will get me kicked off. If you want me kicked off, I'm fine with that, but I am not getting kicked off. You can report me and they won't see a thing bad, because all I'm doing is vlogs. But yeah, if you like this video, give me at least 10,000 likes. If I get 10,000 likes, well, not 10,000, because I'm not that famous. If I get like 10 likes, that's the smallest I'm going. If I get 10 likes and no dislikes, well, I can get dislikes and I'll still do something. But this next video after this, if I get 10 likes, a few subscribers, as many as it gets up to, if it's like over 10, I'll be happy. And even if it's below 10, I'll be fine. I mean, the subscribers. And leave down in the comments if you did 3 things: shared, liked, and subscribed. If you don't know what the share button is, it's like a little arrow that curves. And it's like, if you have Hangouts, send it to a friend on there, and if they subscribe to me, and if they like my videos, and if they share that video, Just kidding, they don't have to share. They can only like and subscribe. If they want to share, they can. But, yeah. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But please like, subscribe, and share this video. And leave down in the comments of if you share. And leave the number 1,000 down there if you did those 3 things. Leave that number 1,000 and then PX, and then I'll do a challenge that you give me. The person who shared, liked, and subscribed. The first one who does that, the first person who puts that number down in the comments, I will be checking that comment section. Then I will be happy if you're the first one who leaves the number 1,000 down there. I will choose 3 people who I think will give me cool challenges. Out of the people who put 1,000 down there, XP, they had to put 1,000 XP down there, and then in the comment section, and then I will do some challenge. But that's all for this video. Bye, and I will see you guys in the next video if I get someone who likes, subscribes, and shares, and whoever puts 1,000 XP down in that comment section, you got your deal. Bye. Peace.